Well, if you like the command line, you're going to love the next demo.
Okay.
We're going to move into real developer territory.
Okay.
Adobe's customers are not just designers, but they're coders, people who write code for a living.
Nice.
And
yeah, let's hear for the coders. Right? They're the rock stars of all this world of software stuff. Aren't they?
they are, absolutely.
They're the madmen.
They are. They're
like
the
the
inventors.
Sex Pistols. Like, they're just...
Wow, I'm not going to think about my developers at work the same way now. So our next demo, we're going to show some tooling for developers about how to make their lives easier. So I want to bring out Anirudh Sasakumar to talk about reverse debugging in Flash Builder. Anirudh?
Anirudh Sasakumar. He's wearing a gym colors and long blue sleeves.
Well, we try to hit all the characters.
Okay.
Hi. So I have Flash Builder open here, and I'm debugging this application. I have breakpoints set, and I'm hoping that one of them will hit. So I switch back to the app, and a breakpoint hits, but not the one I expect. So I can go forward. I can see the trace. That doesn't help me, right? Now you usually put another breakpoint and redo the whole thing. Instead, what if you could just go back? So I press Shift F5, and you can just go back. OK? So
yeah, and? Ooh, the cursor moved a little bit.
Woohoo! So you can see the variables also updating. As I go back, I is decrementing back down to 0.
It's a developer thing, Rain.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now, the next problem when you're debugging is, why is my variable wrong? Why is this value what it is? It shouldn't be that. How do I find that out? So you can just double-click the variable, right-click and say why. And it'll tell you. So it tells you the variable was created. At this line, it changed. And every time you click on the bottom part, it's moving in time to that exact point. Now, the next thing when you're debugging after you've fixed your data is, why are you here? You shouldn't be here. Why did I come to this catch block? So
you often ask yourself that, Rain, right? Why are you here?
Yeah, totally.
So again, you say, why here? And it says, line 146, you reached there because at line 130, an exception was thrown. And you reached here because an if passed. And this came because a method was called. You keep on going down, and it says, because you clicked on the item renderer. So,
oh my God! Now that looks pretty. That looks really pretty. Those are what's that tree? Aurora Borealis.
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
sorry,
what's
dude.
cooler than doing all this? What if you could hand off your application to the quality engineer? Say he reproduces an issue with the program. He tried to change the layout. He clicked on yes, nothing happened. So he's like really pissed. So he gives this file to the developer. It's called debug report. And he can give that to the developer, and the developer just loads that in Flash Builder. Dude. OK.
Was that a coder heckling? Was that a heckling coder?
So this is post-mortem debugging, as in you've just given the file to the developer. He doesn't even have to need to have the application to debug it. Just the report file, and he can go back. And you can just debug again. Thank you. That's my demo.
Thank you, Anirudh.
Amazing. Ben, give him a raise, man. Double his salary. Wow.
What you have to understand, if you're a professional developer, you spend more time in your IDE than you probably do with your family. So tools like this are incredibly important to programmers.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. I believe you. Yeah. I don't know what
so
to
let's
say.
shift gears.
I just want to say, spend more time with your family. You know, get your priorities straight. okay? Get outside, you know, take a hike. Visit nature, swim in a pond. Go to a scenic vista, because it's good for you.